Welcome back to another interesting tutorial in Edge browser. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use split screen features in your Edge browser for multitasking and easy browsing. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you click on split screen. It's that simple. Then you can simply choose another browsing section right here. So right here, you can type in another website right here. For instance, I'm looking for Facebook. So I can be checking on a website right here from one side. And at the same time, I can come to the another side right here and checking on another website. Let's say Google right here. It's that simple. So take a look at it. It's as simple as that. You can browse from the two different tabs in your Edge browser. This is to increase your productivity and enjoy your browsing experience. So you are getting different results from different browsing tab section. It's as simple as that. Once you are satisfied, once you are done with whatever you are doing and you want to disable the split browsing, what you need to do is to simply go back to three dots right here and click on split screen again, and it takes you back to your previous screen. You can click on here and create a new tab. It's that simple. Or another way around, if you want to put your split screen in the top right here, whereby you can simply click on it and then it activates. For you to do that, it's a very simple thing. Go to three dots right here, then make sure you scroll down and make sure you click on settings. That's going to take you right here. Then next thing you need to do is to go to appearance. Then under the appearance right here, go to toolbar. Then from toolbar, simply scroll down right here and make sure you look for split screen. So you have it right here. Just turn on this particular toggle button. Then you have it from the top right here. So you can easily click on it and on and off. So each time you are clicking on it, it automatically divides your tab. If you click on it again, it closes the tab. If you create a new tab, then you come to the top right here, click on here, it breaks your tab into two different things. Then you can click on here and select on any tab right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to use split your screen feature in your Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.